Coffee mug warmer for desk. Auto shut-off cup warmer for office. Home desk. Use desktop heating plate. Electric beverage warmer plate with 3 adjustable temperature settings up to 149. Heating cup warmer for water, tea, milk, etc. Black. Durable and safe high-quality PTC material and 20W low power can heat quickly and keep highly stable work performance because excellent thermal conductivity combines high-tech PI film heating element, anti-overheating technology with FCC-AL approved adapter. Waterproof panel design brings no need for security concern about occasional spill. Maintain optimally warm temperature suitable for most types of cups. We recommend to use glass cups or other cups with flat bottom in order to achieve better thermal results. The longer the heating time takes, the hotter the beverage becomes. Placing a lid over the mug will help retain heat.Our cup warmer can keep beverage warm for a long time. Intelligently automatic induction switch. Just put a coffee mug on the warmer plate, then the mug warmer will work automatically through gravity induction. When you take away the mug from the plate, no need to turn it on off manually. The warmer will turn to stop heating automatically. Conveniently help you have warm drinking at any time in the whole day. Adjustable 3 temperature settings. Choose the temperature by touching the temperature button to keep or warm up the liquid temperature to 118.48, 131.55 or 149.65. Enjoy the delicious beverage as you want at the right temperature, which is neither too hot to lead you have to wait for a long time, nor too cold to affect the taste of the drink. Life helper and perfect gift choice. A daily useful helper at home, dormitory, office, desk, table, nightstand, and other places for water, coffee, milk, tea, soup at any time and anywhere, and even candle or wax can be heated on this warmer. Stylish design. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.